My baby is so damn dramatic. Sometimes I don't know where to go. Oh, he's my sunshine and my headache, but I keep coming back for more. So scary to admit that I'm falling for you while looking in your eyes. And there is nothing that I wouldn't do. I keep trying to break through, 'cause he got me so high, just watching him. Time flies, make love to him daytime. I can't get enough. Yeah, he got me so high, just watching him. Time flies, make love to him daytime. I can't get enough. 'Cause it's you that I love, I got to have it. You that I yearn for. So why you wanna let this go? I got to have it. You that I yearn for. So why you wanna let this go? You say I'm shady, what do you mean, boy? I try to figure out what's on your mind. If I could, I would give you the whole world. Just let me get close to you tonight, 'cause he got me so high.
Good morning. I am at a random hotel in Philadelphia. I had a really fun girls trip this past weekend, a bachelorette trip with some college friends and her New York friends. Just a bunch of girls. I think there were like 15 of us in a big house, and we had so much fun. We ate good food, we went out, we played silly games. There was a hot tub. We did backyard yoga in the morning. It was so much fun. So anyways, my flight is this afternoon. I had the night to myself last night, which was kind of amazing. So I just thought I'd take you along with my travel day today. I am gonna order some room service and see if I can get a late checkout. And I don't know, we'll take you along. Hi, can I order the continental breakfast? $7.04. Oh, it says toast, fruit, juice. Oh, okay. So toast. Wheat is good. And then it says fruit. No, thank you. And then it says fruit. And then I'll have orange juice. Orange juice. And then coffee. Whatever it comes with, I guess. The bigger one. Thank you. That's it. And then do you have non-dairy creamer? Okay, I'll have that, please. Yeah. Yeah, yep. Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye. Hey, I was wondering if I could check out at noon. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. That was weird. Okay, I'm a beginning meditator. I've made a small goal of myself of just taking 5 minutes to breathe in quiet every day and brewing more coffee. So I'm going to show you kind of my routine, which isn't extensive, but I like to kind of either smell or put an oil on me. I've been doing frankincense. This is Northern Lights Black Spruce, and I've been liking that, so I'll just kind of smell it as a ritual to kind of get in the mode. And then I like music, and my go-to is a Pandora station called Yoga Sanctuary. So then I'll just set a timer for 5 minutes, and I just try my best to breathe and not think about much, and which is impossible, so thoughts will come in and I'll just say, thank you, please move on, and just really try to focus on my breathing and just give my mind a 5-minute break from my day. So here we go. Okay, here are my thoughts so far on meditation. Like I said, it's been about a month. As you can see, I got a little emotional. I've tried to meditate in the past, and all these thoughts come up that are so overwhelming that I just have given up. And oh, come in. Room service came, but she's coming back because they forgot my fruit. But okay, been meditating for a month. I've tried in the past, but I've given up because I just think I'm bad at this. I can't be still, and I still feel really bad at it, but I've just pushed myself. It's 5 minutes. Like, who cares if the thoughts come? Just sit there for 5 minutes until that dang timer goes off, and then move on. It's just 5 minutes. And I have to say, I do feel like I can get into the zone easier now. Like, that's so exciting to me that I feel I'm getting better. And what's really helped, I think I said this in another video, the Netflix documentary on meditation was helpful to me. And one of the men said that he thinks of his breath like an ocean, and he just observes his breath like he would observe ocean waves. Ocean waves you can sit and observe for hours. It's so mesmerizing. So I just breathe and think of the ocean tide and observe it. And for some reason, for me, that is really helpful. And I've just in the past couple weeks, I get emotional during my meditation sometimes because I don't know what it is. I feel so calm and at ease and just a huge sense of gratitude. Like, how amazing that I am in this living, breathing, healthy body, and I get to live this life and make choices, and I just feel a deep sense of gratitude during meditation, which is amazing because I think we all could work on being a little more grateful. So that, I just wanted to share that really quick. So she's gonna bring my fruit, I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and I think I need to catch up on YouTube, some of the channels that I watch, and I need to also catch up on some Insta stories, and I'm gonna start editing. I took a lot of video at the bachelorette party. I'm gonna make a little vlog for her and everyone who attended, so I might start editing that. And I'll catch you guys later. All right, I've got my coffee. I asked for non-dairy creamer, not so sure. There was a lot of miscommunication, but anyways, I cheat sometimes, so that's fine. Orange juice. That fruit looks amazing, and I'm gonna have some toast and jam. A really light breakfast, but you best know I'm taking myself out for lunch too, so this will be great. Okay, it's noon. I'm gonna head down to the lobby and probably buy a snack and get an Uber to the airport, and then I'll see you there. I'm gonna buy some lunch at the airport. So saying goodbye to my hotel. Do you want a quick tour? It's nothing special. We've got 2 beds. This is nice. I really like when there's a desk at a hotel. So I did some editing there. There's my lovely breakfast. Had a TV, coffee bar. It's kind of dark. And then bathroom. And shower. It was a nice shower, to be honest. It smells a little mildewy, which kind of grosses me out, but it was one of those, I don't know what they call that, rain showers. Super nice. Took one last night. One last thing before I go, I bought these little, I forget what they call them, packing cubes from Target. I really like them. They don't save room, they just keep you more organized. So I'm just using 2 right now. In that green one are clothes I didn't wear that I can put away. And then these are clothes that I'm gonna throw right into the laundry when I get home. So that really helps you stay organized. I also got this at Target before I left. I needed a new roll-on carry-on, and it worked really well. It was $50. I'm home. You say hi, Jamesy.
Hi.
What did you get while I was gone? Some remote control stuff?
A remote control monster truck.
Okay, I hid a present for you in your room before I left. Let's go find it.
Yeah.
It's a book.
A book?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go find it.
It's on your bookshelf.
My bookshelf somewhere? Is it on this shelf or is it? Oh no!
What is it?
It's a book.
About what?
About planets.
Didn't you tell me you wanted one?
No, I did not.
Are you excited?
Excited to do what?
To read the book I got you?
Maybe.
What do you say?
Thank you, Mama. And where's my toy you promised to give me? There.
James.
What?
I got you a book.
Instead of a toy?
Okay, I am home. I didn't really vlog at the airport
There's
or the
5.
airplane. Can you talk to my friends with me and then I'll give you attention?
No.
Phil picked me up, then we both got James and came home. Phil, I think, had a quick errand, so it's just James and me. We're rebonding. We're catching up and playing, and I'm gonna shower because I don't know about you, but 15 minutes on a plane and you're disgusting. And I was on it for, you know, more than 15 minutes. So I'm gonna shower. James and I are gonna play. Maybe we'll go for a walk before I shower.
It's 5 yellows.
All right, we'll see you guys later. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here.
Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Last night I just kind of hung out with James and put him to bed. It was a great trip, but really good to be home. So let me know if you liked this vlog by giving it a thumbs up. Like I said, I haven't done one in a long time, so if I get enough thumbs up, I will consider doing some more for you guys. Hope you're having a great day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.